How to change or remove notification sound on Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Go to search bar and search for settings. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on personalization, which is below system and above gaming. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on themes. Then click on sound. In this list, search for notification. After you find notification, click on notification and you will also find options of sound. Keep it none or you can change it to any ringtones. After you click on none or any of the sound, simply click on apply and then OK. And you're good to go. That's how you change or remove notification sound on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.